There's all sorts of cookware out there, and size and shape are obviously critical to how they perform. But did you know that their appearance matters too? You can sear food in almost any skillet, but if you need a great fond for a pan sauce, a light-colored skillet is a good choice simply because you can see what's going on in the pan. It's hard to know how much browning you've got when you've got brown fond on a dark pan. And if that fond is too light, your sauce is going to be lacking in flavor and color. If it gets too dark, well, it's going to taste burnt. The other instance you want a light-colored pan is when you're browning butter. Those milk solids go from hazelnutty to bitter and burnt in just seconds, and while you can rely on your nose, it's really nice to be able to monitor the color as well. Color matters in baking too. Dark cake pans and muffin tins absorb heat more readily. This has the greatest effect on the part of the batter that touches the pan. Cakes and muffins will have darker sides and bottoms. And it really matters when you're looking at items that bake for more than 30 minutes. The sides and bottoms of a quick bread will get too dark and be tough and slightly dried out. When it comes to baking sheets, color makes a difference here too, but that's not all. An aluminum sheet pan's reflectivity also affects how it cooks food. As these pans lose their shine, they actually absorb heat more readily and so help foods brown faster. These two garlic breads were both baked for 18 minutes, and look at the difference in color and crispness. Now, if you prefer shiny new pans, then just know that your food is going to take a little bit longer to cook. Or just don't stress it when your sheet pans get dark and matte. That actually helps them cook more efficiently. It's really easy to overlook appearance when selecting cookware, but a pan's color or even its shininess affects how it cooks. Knowing this lets us make adjustments when our cook times aren't quite matching up with what a recipe says. If you want more information about shopping for cookware, check out our show Gearheads, and for reviews of all sorts of kitchen gear, check out cooksillustrated.com.